Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to participate in an Vanya's Octo Entertainment event in Heartopia. So in this new event in Heartopia, Dreamlike Cinematic event, there is a new event, new fishing event that you can join on it. And to participate at this event, you can just start it. You can just join it when it held by Vanya directly every 6 p.m. like this, or you can also start it privately by just pay the 2000 gold to Vanya. And in this tutorial I want to start it by myself. Like this. I want to go to meet Vanya. And then I want to talk to him. And then just tap on the Octo Entertainment event. Like this. And then just simply start Octo Entertainment event to start it by yourself. Like this. And then to start it, you will cost 2000 gold. So just tap on confirm. Like this. And then in here, you can also invite your friends to join this event. Just tap on invite, and then next just invite your old friends. Like this. And then just wait until the friends come to this area. And then just start the event when your friends are complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.